Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable captions or subtitles on Instagram Reels. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your Instagram account and select your profile icon down the bottom right. Once you're on your profile page, select the hamburger icon up at the top right. And now you want to scroll down underneath where it says your app and media, and you want to select where it says accessibility and translations. Where it says captions, go ahead and select that. If you want to enable or disable closed captions, toggle this on or off depending on your preference. If it's lit up blue, it means it's turned on. If it's grayed out, it means captions are not being displayed. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.